we actually take the glass out of here in the summer, and then about September, October, we put the glass back in it, between the fire pit, and then we got heaters we put in there. We use it all winter. We leave this open for ventilation, just this area right here. But in the wintertime, everybody wants to sit out here and watch football games, and but it's everybody just we use it all winter long. Other than the nights when it was about 0 and the wind was blowing, we go. But that's it. And this room was the most popular until we built that out there. This is where everybody wanted to have. I think it's like bathrooms here, and there's so many event rooms. This room, when we bought this was one, it looked like a machine shed. It was a concrete floor, 4 walls, white. None of these partitions, none of these booths or tables.
So
it was
when
just,
you bought it, this was not here?
it was here, but it was just an empty layers.
The light fixtures are great.
Yeah, he and I did all of this, and then we put the carpet down because that was the last thing we needed to do because it was still really.
You're part of it.
Our host.
I'm really glad to see you guys.
Glad to be here.
Everybody does, but you know what? We're prosperous. It's kind of the regional hub, and this is where everybody comes to. Like on Friday and Saturday night, you better be ready because you're going to be busy.
That's
You
good.
know, and that's what the other owner named it.
I like the name.
Oh, I do too, and it's kind of mysterious. But you want to know what?